Most creators lose countless hours every week to repetitive formatting and manual posting across multiple social platforms. This automation engine replaces that manual work. By approving a single idea in a database, the system formats, optimizes, and publishes your content across the web simultaneously. To build this, we'll use Notion as our input, N8N and Claude 3.5 Sonnet for processing, and Make.com to distribute the final posts to your X and LinkedIn accounts. Once this architecture is in place, you move from manual content management to a single-click workflow. We start by configuring the trigger. In the N8N canvas, create a new Webhook node to listen for incoming data. Copy the Webhook URL and paste it into Notion's automation settings. Set the trigger to fire specifically when an item's status is marked as approved. You must now run a test event in Notion. Move a dummy topic to approved to establish the initial handshake between the two apps. If the connection is successful, you will see the raw data from your Notion database appear inside the N8N Webhook panel. This automated digital handshake completely eliminates the need to manually move text from your database into a publishing tool. Next, add an advanced AI agent node. To enable the connection to Claude 3.5 Sonnet, enter your Anthropic API key into the credentials field. In the prompt instructions, command the AI to take the raw Notion idea and generate a punchy 280-character post optimized for X. Within the same prompt, instruct Claude to also format that core idea into a longer, professional post for LinkedIn, using specific line breaks and hashtags. Run a test of this node to ensure the AI generates both platform-specific versions of the text at the same time. Adding this logic means the system isn't just moving text, it's acting as a platform-aware editor for every idea you approve. Now, use an HTTP request node in N8N to push those AI-generated text blocks over to a waiting webhook in Make.com. This diagram shows the Make.com router module, splitting incoming data into two publishing paths. On path A, map the short-form text to X for immediate publication. On path B, map the long-form text to LinkedIn, using scheduling tools for peak engagement. Ensure both the X and LinkedIn APIs are set to read and write permissions. If they are set to read only, the automation will be blocked from posting. This routing logic allows a single prompt to drive a coordinated multi-channel distribution strategy. To finish the workflow, add a Notion Updated Database item module to the end of both paths in Make.com. Map these modules back to the specific Notion row ID that triggered the process. Insert the live URLs back into your database and switch the status to Published. This creates a closed loop, confirming the posts are live without you having to check the platforms manually. To run the engine, you simply enter a new topic idea into your Notion database and change the status to Approved. In the background, N8N, Claude, and Make execute the entire sequence in tandem. The Notion database updates automatically, providing you with the live links to your finished posts. This completes the autonomous pipeline. You can now scale this to additional platforms by adding more router paths, replacing manual uploads with a single database trigger.